On May 6, 2020, the flagship of the Italian Navy, the light aircraft carrier Cavour 550, left the Taranto naval base for sea trials after modernization works, which took place from December 2018. On July 6, 2019, the 27,000-ton ship entered the Arsenal's Edgardo Ferrati dry dock to start the maintenance and modernization works required to accommodate and operate the F-35B Lightning II aircraft. The modernization works now completed. The Italian aircraft carrier will undertake a preparatory training before sailing to the US, where the ship will conduct trials with the F-35B STOVL short takeoff vertical landing variant of the Joint Strike Fighter on board, in addition to the conventional takeoff and landing version of the F-35A. Italy purchased 30 F-35B fighters for the Navy. A number of aircraft with a shortened takeoff and a vertical landing will replace the obsolete AV-8B Harrier deck-based attack aircraft as part of the aircraft carrier's wing. Well, keep in mind that Defense Web TV has more than 1,400 videos on its YouTube channel, so please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell here under to be informed of the latest defense and security news.